Welcome back to Glitter Trail. My name's Allie, and today we will be doing an Allure Beauty Box unboxing. If you don't know what the Allure Beauty Box is, it is a monthly subscription that you can get for $15 a month, and I believe you get like 5, 6, sometimes people get 7, like you just get all these different items. And if you are a first-time customer for the Allure Beauty Box, you get a free gift. And like I said, this is $15 a month. If you try to unsubscribe for this, you will have to call Condé Nast, and they will try and get you to keep your subscription by giving you an opportunity to get this box for $12 a month instead of the $15. Anyways, I have not opened this box. It's completely sealed, so I brought a little knife with me. When you open it up, whoops. When you open it up, it comes like this. It always has this little pamphlet thing in here, and I'm pretty sure it says what you get. First thing that I see is by Sunday Riley, and it is called Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. And this is worth, this full size for this is worth $105. So I'll have to give that a try and let you guys know how I feel about it. The second thing that I see is by BKR. It is the Paris Water Balm. So I'm guessing it's like it says it's an ultra hydrating glossy lip treatment. And it just comes in a little pot like that. My lips get so dry in the cold weather, fall and winter. It smells pretty nice. Kind of smells like a perfume. It doesn't taste like anything. And this little BKR water balm, the full size is $22. This is a nice sample size. I'll probably throw it in my bag. The next thing I see is by Hourglass. This is a Extreme Lash Mascara. The full size for this is $29, and of course this is a sample size. Ooh, I like the bottle of it. It's a triangle. I'm not going to open this because I have way too many open already, and I don't want it to dry up on me.
Ooh, I don't know what this is.
Look at that. It's so sparkly. Oh my goodness. This is by it's like Galaxy, I'm guessing is how they say it. Galaxy Glister. It's gleam like the galaxy. That is so cute. It is not in there, so I'm guessing since I resubscribed, this was my little gift. And it had...
Oh, shoot.
Ugh, it came out on me. My goodness. Okay. I'm going to just try a little dab. I'm not sure when I wear this, but it's cool because I just got this right before Halloween. And when I take my kids trick-or-treating, maybe I can wear some like rings. So cute. I don't even think you can see the little flecks in there. Oh, I like that. That is super cute. My daughter is gonna want it. She's almost 9. She's definitely gonna want it. Well, the next thing I see is by Wander Beauty. And these are their baggage claim golden eye masks. And I've received a few sample things of these in my BoxyCharm. And I do really like them. I do still have a few left. Yeah, see, I had 2 left from my BoxyCharm. And this one golden eye masks are worth, these are worth $25 for 6 pair. I enjoy getting skincare items, and that's one of the reasons why I love the Allure box. You'll get a few makeup products or like a couple, and you'll also get a lot of skincare. Now, the next thing that I see is by Kenra. It is a dry oil control spray. This full size of the Kenra is worth $19 for this. The next thing I see is I love First Aid Beauty. Okay, this is the First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. Is this for your face or your hands? This First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is $12 for 2 ounces or 30 for 6 ounces. The next thing I see is by Sunday Riley, Ceramic Slip, a cream cleanser, and the full price for this is $35. Sunday Riley is a really good brand. Excited. The last but not least thing in here is by Caudilly, or however you say it. Caudilly. This is worth $49 for the full size. This is a skin perfecting serum. I'm very satisfied with this box. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.